Hi, this is Miss Whitney. We're so excited for the Florida Keys History and Discovery Center camp this year. The kids are going to have a blast.
All right, day 2 of the Florida Keys History and Discovery Center camp for the kids. This has been an amazing 2 days. We're gonna walk in, we're gonna get these guys. I was here this morning. They were building Legos, they were building cars. They painted with pasta. They did all kind of exercise activities. They watched movies. It was awesome. Miss Whitney and Miss Lauren are absolutely crushing the camp and super pumped for these kids all week. All right, let's go check in on them. There's the pasta painting.
We helped! We helped!
You all did that? Day 3, Florida Keys History Discovery Center camp for the kids. 35 kids. We're ready for the Rager. Day 3, here we go. Oh yeah! On behalf of our community here in the Upper Keys, all the kids that participated in the Florida Keys History and Discovery Center, I just want to say thank you so much to Whitney and Lauren for the amazing job this year for the 2025 Summer Kids Camp. Woohoo!